Recommended Intel Core i5-13600K CPU, PC build under Rs 1,50,000. For gaming and content creation. CPU, Intel Core i5-13600K desktop processor with 14 cores, 6 P cores plus 8 E cores, up to 5.1 GHz. Motherboard. MSI Pro Z790P. Wi-Fi motherboard with DDR5 memory boost 7000 plus MHz OC. RAM. G-Skill Trident Z5 RGB Intel XMP 32GB, 2x 16GB, DDR5 6000 MHz. Graphics card. MSI GeForce RTX 3060 Ti Ventus 2X OC 8GB GDDR6 256-bit gaming graphics card. SSD. Samsung 980 Pro 1TB up to 7000 MB per second PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2. Power supply. Corsair CSM series, CX750M, modular power supply, 80 plus bronze. Cabinet. Cooler Master Box TD500 Mesh AAA RGB mid-tower gaming cabinet with dual 360mm radiator support. CPU cooler. Cooler Master ML360R ARGB CPU liquid cooler. Prices mentioned are as on March 2023 and are subject to change. Buying from offline stores is a better option, and you would certainly save some money in your PC build. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.